This is a do-yourself kit. You would not have to pay anyone by just following these 20 tips, including in this presentation. There's other tips where you can follow along, and you'll see your credit improve between 20 to 25 points in the next 30 to 45 days. It's a very simple tutorial. Of course, you will have to retrieve or obtain your credit report and see where you stand in as far as credit. Of course, this is a lengthy presentation. I am not going to go and spend time talking to you about this. However, I am going to set up different pointers. What do you have to do to maintain and improve your credit? There's different points and tips that you can do automatically by doing this, and you see your score increase between 25 points in less than 30 or 45 days. Now, keep in mind that the credit bureaus will have to respond to you in at least 30 days. That being said, there's other points in this and hints in this booklet that will help you maintain that credit score, and it will also give you an idea where you stand as far as increasing your credit, that if you need to buy a house or you need to rent a home. So again, this has enough information that you can actually obtain without paying anyone to improve your credit. Again, has a lot of information that you can able to do it yourself without paying anyone. Again, my friends, my name is Louis from Fast Credit Dispute, and if you have any questions, there's information on how to get in contact with us. Thank you again, and have a wonderful day.